We'll show you how to connect the power. How to connect, it's okay. We'll show you how to connect the electricity power. Firstly, we show you the power, the electricity power for the mixing system, for the mixers, okay. This one is for the power to come in. This cable, this power come in, is here. For the first one, this is for the first one. This one is for the power to come in. This is the first one, for the power to come in. Then this is the second one. Second one for you to lift the raw materials to the mixer. This is the second one. The second one. This is the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are these four wires for the power to come in. These three wires, 1, 2, 3. The second three wires, this for the raw materials to come up. Then this is the third one. You check, this is the third one. The last third wires is for mixing the raw materials. So this is the control system for the mixer. The first four wires is for the power to come in. The second three wires for the cable, for the raw materials to come to the mixer, for lifting the raw materials to the mixer. The third cable is connecting to the motor on the mixer to mixing the raw materials in the mixer. So this next three wires, 1, 2, 3, this cable, the third cable is here, connected here. So this power is for the mixer to mixing the raw materials. This is the power collection for the mixing system. It's okay. Now it's okay. Now it's on. The mixer is on. The power is okay. Then we start the mixer. Firstly we need to put the raw materials into the mixer. Okay. So the raw material. Now the raw materials come up to the mixer. We send the raw materials to the mixing hopper. Okay, stop it. Okay, this mixing hopper come down. Raw material is okay. Mixing hopper come down. Then mixing the raw materials. We start the mixer. Mixer is mixing. The mixer is mixing the raw materials now. Okay, let's stop the mixer. Raw material is okay now. The raw materials is okay now. Then next step, we will send the raw materials to the second mixer. Okay. Then the second step, we open the door on the mixer. No, it's not okay. Later I'll show you. Later we'll show you how to open the gate. We just buy this switch. It's open. Now this gate. Peter, please show this gate. Now the gate is open. We close the gate. Open the gate. After the gate is open, the raw materials will come out. Raw materials will come to this mixer. Okay. Open the door. Open the door. Close your door. It's okay. Then raw materials come to this one. It's okay. Now stop it. Okay. Now let's connect the power to the roofing tile making machine. Just now we have showed you how to connect the power to the mixer. Now we show you how to connect the power to the main machine, to the roofing tile forming machine. Okay, we open this one. This is control system. This is for the power to come in. This cable for the power to come in. we just connect the first 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 wires, we just connect it there. We only need to connect 1 cable for the power to come in. That is okay. Peter, please show the whole. Please show the whole picture for the control system. So these 4 wires, 1, 2, 3, 4. This cable with 4 wires. This first 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is L1, L2, L3. This is for the cable for the power to come in. L1, L2, L3, and also this is for ground. The green one is for the ground. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, L1, L2, L3. Then it's connected to the power supply. This is for power supply. Okay. It's okay.